Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making cheesy polenta muffins with sun-dried tomatoes and olives. This is a vegan recipe and so I'm going to use vegan cheese and ground flaxseed instead of egg. First, prepare the flax egg. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of milled or ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir and set aside. Next, grease a 12-hole muffin tin with a small amount of vegetable butter. Then, preheat the oven. Now, chop the sun-dried tomatoes into small pieces. Also the olives, and roughly chop the basil leaves. Then, in a medium-sized bowl, combine 250 ml of plant-based milk, 60 ml of olive oil, and the flax egg. Sift the flour into a large bowl and then add the polenta, cheese, salt, and freshly ground pepper. Make a well in the center and pour the milk mixture, tomatoes, olives, and basil. Using a large metal spoon, stir until just combine. 13 to 15 circular strokes should be enough. Using a tablespoon, divide the mixture evenly between the muffin holes. And then, sprinkle each muffin with poppy seeds. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the muffins are golden. Cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. You can then serve the muffins warm or at room temperature. You can find the full recipe below. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.